Welcome to QETA Network. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but I hope I am. So it says to be the future of Web3 and it's going to be in your hands. Mining digital gold has never been this simple. Secure your spot in the next generation of nodes, right? So they have their app on Google Play Store and also on App Store. So let's check it out. But before we get into that, I like to get this disclaimer out of the way that this is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial expert. I just see people sharing about the project online, so I've decided to look it up. Who knows, it might just be the next Pi network. All right, let's go. Here is QETA Network on Google Store. Click on install button. App has been successfully installed. Let's launch it. I love this logo though. Allow notifications. So here's the sign-in page, but since I do not have an account, I'll go for register a new account instead. Here you have to choose a username, provide your email address, choose a password, and click on next. On the next page, you are to complete your profile by providing your first name, your last name, and of course you enter a referral code here. Please provide my referral code when you get here. It is not optional for me nor for you. So as for me, I've just come back to copy the referral code of the person that invited me. So you copy mine from this interface by clicking on the copy button, and we are in. So it says my estimated daily yield is 2.40 QET. So first things first, let's hit the button here. It says get 20% boost. What shot as well? I'm not for any boost for now, so I'll click on no thanks. I have entered the mining session and earn more, get daily, earn more QET by opening your daily surprise box. Well, let's see. Unlock. You watch an ad. Now it has been opened. So where do I click? Ready to open. I tap on it. Alright. So I've just got 0.5 QET. Collect. You come back again after 1 hour. So what's next? Click on there's news here. App stores delay, full withdrawal coming soon. What's QET? Next here is the referral. So here you can get a referral link. This is me, this is my team. I'm the only person in my team, right? I do not have any referral bonuses because I've not referred anyone. So if you want to do that, you click on invite here. And there's a referral link here as well as your username. You can copy your referral link. Your username is embedded in it. You can share with your family and friends. And as you register, they become your referral. Just click on the launchpad. Okay, so they're doing launchpad here. Upcoming, Kino, soft cap 50 soul, LP status band. Just click on the wallet, which is the last. Solana DeFi, the most secure way to manage your decentralized assets on Solana. All right, so it looks like they want you to create a Solana wallet on this platform. Let's click on get started. You want to import a new wallet here, or you just create a new one. Let's go with a new one. Creating wallet, building cryptographic keys. So we've created a new wallet, and where is the 47 cents coming from? Okay, so the 47 cents is actually from QETA off chain, right? Not on chain. Well, what else is here to see? Let's click on the profile top left. Let's check out its economics. So the total supply is 100 million QET token. Get mined. So far 6.1 million has been mined. Mining pool 65%, proof of stake 15%, pre-sale 15, team 5%. And the roadmap says phase 1 core launch completed as in 2025, mobile app launch, cloud mining rewards. Phase 2 DeFi expansion, Solana DeFi wallet integrated, QET token creation on Solana, wallet and token swaps, limited minting testing. So this is where we are. Phase 3 launch platform, community governance system, QETA in-app DeFi launch, ecosystem growth, and so on. Phase 4 is coming, play to earn games. Phase 5 staking and market access. Phase 6 network evolution. So where is the launch? Community meme token launch. Where is the mainnet launch? Or is that something I'm missing? Well guys, we'll be here to pass some updates as soon as there are. So let's click on up here where we're seeing day 0. Alright, so my current streak is 0. So after watching an ad, let me click on check-in. Streak not found. Streak, why? Check-in not found. Well, you want me to be here for a day plus before I can check in? Well guys, it looks like that's all about QETA Network at a glance, right? I'll be here to bring you updates as soon as possible. If you know something more, endeavor to share with me in the comments, right? So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.